Are you tired of the same old kitchen grind? Do you dream of a culinary world beyond burnt toast and soggy vegetables? Well, wake up and smell the future because in 2030, the kitchen as we know it is getting a radical reboot. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the sizzling hot world of tomorrow's kitchens. We're not talking pie-in-the-sky concepts here, people. We're serving up a hearty helping of cold, hard data and real-world innovation that's about to transform the way you cook, eat, and experience food. First up, we've got the star of the show, the maestro of molecular gastronomy, the culinary conjurer itself, the 3D food printer. Forget slaving away over a hot stove. This bad boy pumps out Michelin star-worthy dishes with the push of a button. Imagine this. You download a recipe, chuck in your ingredients, and boom! The printer analyzes, portions, and assembles your meal with surgical precision. Steak cooked to absolute perfection? Done. Intricately designed chocolate mousse? No problem. This isn't just about convenience, though it's definitely a bonus. We're talking about reducing food waste, controlling portion sizes, and even catering to specific dietary needs with pinpoint accuracy. Allergies? Gone. Nutritional deficiencies? History. The 3D food printer is a game changer, and you heard it here first. Next, we're tackling the nutritional nightmare that is the modern diet. Let's face it, most of us haven't got a clue what we're really putting into our bodies. But fear not, because the AI-powered nutrition assistant is here to whip your diet into shape. This digital guardian angel analyzes your dietary needs, tracks your calorie intake, and even suggests personalized recipes based on your health goals and what's in your fridge. Think of it as having a personal nutritionist on call 24/7, except it doesn't judge your late-night ice cream cravings. This is next-level health management, people. It's about understanding your body's needs and making informed choices about what you fuel it with. Now, let's talk about something that really gets my goat: food waste. It's a global disgrace with tons of perfectly good food ending up in landfills every year. But the future's looking brighter and greener thanks to the zero-waste cooking system. This ingenious setup is all about sustainability, utilizing every scrap and peel to minimize your environmental impact. Think smart composting systems that turn your leftovers into nutrient-rich fertilizer, high-tech food storage solutions that keep your ingredients fresher for longer, and even appliances that use less energy and water. It's time to ditch the wasteful ways of the past and embrace a more sustainable future, one delicious bite at a time. Listen up, because this next one is a real game changer. We're talking about inclusivity, people. The Universal Kitchen Machine is designed to make cooking accessible to everyone, regardless of age, ability, or skill level. This all-in-one wonder machine combines the functions of multiple appliances, from chopping and blending to cooking and cleaning, all with an intuitive interface that even your granny could master. We're talking voice control, touchless operation, and adjustable heights to accommodate different needs. Cooking should be a joy, not a chore. And this machine makes it possible for everyone to experience the pleasure of creating a delicious meal. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this last one is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Augmented reality is about to rock your culinary world. Picture this. You're wearing a sleek pair of AR glasses, and as you cook, step-by-step instructions are projected right before your eyes. No more juggling cookbooks or scrolling through endless recipe websites. Need to know how to dice an onion like a pro? The AR guide shows you exactly how, with virtual overlays that adapt to your movements in real time. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine getting real-time feedback on your cooking technique, adjusting temperatures and timings to perfection, and even having virtual guests join your cooking session from anywhere in the world. The future of cooking is interactive, immersive, and frankly bloody brilliant. So there you have it, folks. The future of cooking is looking mighty delicious. And it's only a matter of time before these innovations are transforming kitchens worldwide. If you're hungry for more mind-blowing tech and culinary creativity, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. We'll be back soon with more cutting-edge kitchen tech, groundbreaking recipes, and enough food for thought to keep your taste buds tingling. Stay hungry, stay curious, and we'll see you in the future of food.